the 9th of August 2019. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning and just had breakfast. And this is looking out from my front door of my hooch or cabin or whatever you want to call it. And it's looking around, a little fog hanging out there. It's a little cool. But there we go. We come down here and I'm right close to the chow hall, which is that building right there is the mess hall, so that's good. And the showers are right behind it in that building for men's and women's, so I'm close to everything here, so it works out good. And our meeting place where we have happy hours right over here, and we have, you know, any presentations they have in there, and we just have to walk down to the docks. You can see some of our kayaks down there and some growlers floating out there. And this is my my home, my humble home. And my home is called the Amundsen, which is very apropos here. So, okay. Ed Getley signing off for the time being. August 9th, 8:30 in the morning. Just some more shots of the camp. That's my hooch right over there. This one right here. And we got some fog here. The fog's kind of lifting here. And that's our mess tent right there. And the showers are in back of it. I'm looking into the sun here, so it may not be quite as good. Come around here, of course, our meeting tent right over here. And the other hooches or cabins or whatever you want to call them are down here for the other people. I like mine because I'm closest to the chow tent and to the showers, so that's a good thing. And the water is right down there, so we don't have far to go. And there is an electric fence down here, which we're going to walk down to here in a moment and maybe take a closer look. The gate is closed now, and we're going to come down here and see what it's like. And this is to keep any polar bears out. And we have a guard dog too. So, and you can see the sign here. It says caution, because there's wires here. And we have a gate which is now closed. So we are inside of our electrified compound here. And you can see everything hooked up there. Keep the polar bears out. Haven't seen any polar bears, haven't heard any. Haven't really seen any animals at all other than animals in the water like whales. Somebody saw some seals, and that's pretty much it. So, oh, there's a bird. I mean, yeah, we do see a couple birds around here. So that's about the only thing. We'll look back at camp here. And there it is. Here's the other hooches there. And other ones over there. And one way out there. I don't know what that one is. Somebody's way out there. Okay.